Good morning, folks. Just received my iPhone 13 in this box, iPhone 13 Pro, 1 TB. Just wanted to share with you what I find in the box. So here it is, delivered from Rialto, California. Let's open this up. All right, so the box contains this very skinny packaging for iPhone 13. As compared to, of course, the iPhone 11 was in this box. iPhone 12 came into this skinny box, which I can't find, and previous versions were like in white boxes, like 7, 8, 10. So yeah, so let's open this box, iPhone 13, and here's a small little, you can flip this off. This is opened, and let's see what we find in the box. All right, so there are two packings. Both sides you have to rip this off. There's a little sticker, and now you can open this up. All right, so this is iPhone 13 Pro in Sierra Blue. That's the new color. It's a little lighter than the blue that they introduced with iPhone 11 and 12. So there it is. That's the phone. We'll get back to it later. So we have, of course, this charger cable in it, but we don't have any charger. This little stickers, or this to open the SIM card. That's it, and there's nothing else in the box. So just these two things in the box, and then the phone itself, of course, it's a very slick look, same as iPhone 12 if you look at it. Similar. This is 6.1 screen with the Retina display. That's the improvement. Of course, the camera has also been improved with the new technology, and of course 12 megapixel camera, and you can of course the video is improved with cinematic mode, where you can make videos in depth and everything. 6.1 inch screen, and 7.19 ounces of this one. It's a little heavier than iPhone 11 and iPhone 12, but of course I like this new camera. It's not much change, but still looks pretty good. A little bit bigger than last phone. Of course, it's Lightning. There is no regular plug-in for your headphones. It's still the Lightning. That's one drawback which I was looking forward to, they will introduce in this one. So yeah, 1 TB. That's a big memory upgrade from 512 GB. This is 1000 GB in this, and A15 chip in it. And of course, other than camera, the battery life has been improved. It says the battery would last 20 hours. Let's see how does it go. So here it is. Just wanted to show you the new iPhone 13 Pro in Sierra Blue. That's how the color looks, and I think I like it so far. Let's see how the performance is. Just turn it on. All right, so I will put my SIM in, use the phone, and see how it performs and how the battery life is, and we'll get back to you in the next video.